When you decide to make your own adventure, you'll be writing the passages for yourself and others to click through. In this video, we'll make just a quick detour to the bathroom. Here, we're in the hallway of the spacecraft, and instead of clicking on a link like this or this, there is a command line box down here. I want to go to the bathroom, so I'll type go to the, and as you can see, other passage suggestions appear here. But we don't want to go to the bridge. We want to go to the bathroom. So if we type this in and press enter, we'll arrive here. When the game doesn't know what a command means, this page appears, and you can either click this link or this link to create a new passage. On top of all this are some notices and warnings. First is a notice about what passage you're making. Here you can see go to the bathroom, as well as some tips on formatting or the option to go back. This formatting tips may be how you got to this video in the first place. You can also see there's a warning about recreating a page that was previously deleted. It's just because this is not the first time I'm trying to record this. Finally, you can see a warning about writing anonymously. You can log in and create an account if you want, but as it says, it's totally fine not to. Feel free to be as anonymous as you want throughout playing the game. Moving on to the editor, we can see a little tip about where to type our content, as well as some useful content below to keep when we save our passage. Let's start by describing our trip to the bathroom. You turn around and head towards the bathroom. Let's make it a gender-neutral bathroom. Okay, great. We can save this just by hitting the Save Page button here. The game loads the passage in, and wow, there it is. You turn around and head towards the gender-neutral bathroom. But now what? How can we make this bathroom trip more fun and interactive? In another video, I'll show you how to edit passages to make them even better using links.